everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create something really quickly. Just get on board. An eye look which is going to be super quick, shimmery, and it will just lift you up. Remember Tower 28? Yeah, Bronzino, and my shade is Gold Coast. So I'm going to give myself a Gold Coast vibe with this. But the fun part is, today I'm going to use it on my lips, on my cheeks and on my eyes. So let's create the look. Using my Makeup Forever 228 brush. As you can see, the base is set. I have used my IT Cosmetics CC cream and my Makeup Forever color correcting palette. And of course, MAC Sea of Plenty for my brow makeup. Rest all set. Using Bronzino on my lid. This is going to be super fun and it'll literally take 5 minutes. Blending seamlessly, no hard work here. The color is just a perfect match with my skin tone. Love the products that can be used in different ways. This itself is brightening up the whole area. And I don't have to be extra careful here because it is just blending into my skin. This itself is looking pretty, right? On top, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Starlit Diamond Powder number 107, my favorite. Doesn't take much, just a tiny amount. How pretty. Today, I'm just going to concentrate on my inner corners and halfway of my lid area. So all eyes on my inner corner of the eyes. The main punch is going to be on my inner corner. And then with the remaining product, I'm going to cover halfway of my lid area. So bright and beautiful. Just want my other half to be with Bronzino. Go along with the crease line. The dewy, iridescent, beautiful look. Going halfway makes it a little bit more interesting. And nothing on my brush, just overlapping a little with the Bronzino. I just love the name of it, Bronzino. And the final punch. I love this shade from Makeup Forever, ME400. Exactly like that. Do we have to do a lot of blending here? I don't think so. Let it come together. Starlit Diamond Powder, Makeup Forever Metallic, and Bronzino. Wow. Just love to work with this brush. It fits perfectly and love the placement of the color with this brush. On my lower lash line, a little bit of this yellow. You can totally work it on your lower lash line as well. And it just brightens up the whole area. I just love to work with Makeup Forever shadows, and the metallics are my absolute favorites. And now, my friends, mascara moment. Using my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Look at that. Just amazing. I am so much into this mascara these days. Love it. And on my lower lash line, going a little heavy today. It adds nice definition. This mascara is super amazing. A final check before I get started with bronze on my cheek. 158 from Makeup Forever, cheekbones. Adding the warmth back and the beautiful glow. Fresh looking skin. Having so much fun with it. A little bit on my nose just to cover the tip. Cheek, jaw and chin. Lovely. So bright and beautiful. Just feel like wearing this in a stain kind of way. Tom Ford Bruised Plum. Just a little bit hint of color. Using my MAC lip brush 316 on my lips too. and just let the soft, supple shine come through the beautiful color. And that's it. I hope you like this look, and it is really very beautiful, fun, and super cool look, right? In this beautiful summertime. So yeah, try these products and try to create something. I totally enjoy this look and I'm going to rock it. This is Soma saying bye to you. Can't wait to share a couple of more looks. So see you.